This looks good. Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to another episode of Rheya's Kitchen. Today we are making banana muffins. It is currently 3:47 a.m. I have some super overripe bananas that y'all can see over there that I need to get rid of before they get too overripe. So we're gonna do these muffins tonight while I'm at the house by myself, so nobody gonna bother me. So first thing is you're gonna need 3 overripe bananas. I have 4, but I'm gonna take one off and I'm gonna use these 3 because these are the darkest. Next thing you wanna do is you wanna get a decent sized bowl. This bowl is 4 cups. So we're going to take our bananas, peel them, and mash them in the bowl. We now have mashed bananas. Okay, you guys, so what you would essentially want to do, you want to separate all of your ingredients, right? And you want to combine specific ones. So your dry ingredients consist of your flour, your baking soda, and cinnamon, ground cinnamon. You put those all together, you're going to whisk those all together. But for right now, I just have them all in a measuring cup and set that aside. Next, I have my brown sugar. This is dark brown sugar, my mashed bananas, and I'm using salted butter, but this is 6 tablespoons, as well as my egg that I have not cracked yet because I took it out of the refrigerator and I just set it in some lukewarm water to bring it up to room temperature. And you're going to want to put all of these together, and then you will later add your dry mix to your wet mix. So also your vanilla extract, sorry, forgot about that. And I'm going to dunk my bananas. Take this off. I'm going to put in my smashed bananas. I'm going to add in my brown sugar. I'm going to crack my egg into this bowl just to make sure it is indeed a good egg. It is. We are all good. And I'm going to add this in here. I'm going to do just a little splash of vanilla. However, I'm going to count this out just to make sure that this is indeed 6 tablespoons. And like I said, I omitted the salt simply because this is salted butter. I'm going to add my whisk attachment. We're going to mix that all together, and then I will slowly add in my dry ingredients. Now that my dry mixture is fully combined, I'm just going to start slowly tapping that in until I get the consistency of cake batter. Oh my God, you guys just don't know. This smells so good. Y'all don't come for me with my cupcake pan. I know it's old and all scratched up. We gonna oil it real good. We gonna spray it down real good with this good old good and gather and hope for the best. Take this little measuring spoon and go in. A lot of patience that I have to be doing this at 4:15 in the morning. All right. And now these are going to go into the oven baked at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for no more than 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Ta-da! These are my banana muffins. I've already taken them out of the oven, as you can see, and I let them sit for around 10 minutes to cool. Oh my God, it's so moist. It's so fluffy. Nice and crispy on the top. Very buoyant on the bottom. Oh my God, the bottom's so soft. I'm very excited for this, actually. Look at that steam. Okay. What I love most about this, it's not too sweet. I probably could have put that last banana in there. But yeah, it's very clear that this is a banana muffin. Anybody that eats it would know that it's a banana muffin. It tastes really good. Mm. And it just melts in your mouth. I'm glad I didn't put the salt in it. Like I don't taste salt. Like it doesn't taste salty. I don't taste salt. But I feel like if I put salt in it, then I would taste it. It's 4:54 a.m. I will leave the recipe in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all right here next week once again in Rheya's kitchen. Bye. This is good.